Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the Colmi P78 Smartwatch, one of the latest, or perhaps the latest smartwatch from the company Colmi. Again, this model is the P78 Smartwatch. Okay, a wearable with a super AMOLED screen display. And as you can see here, we have the usual box, okay, or packaging from Colmi. The same with the previous smartwatches that we have here from Colmi. And we do have here some of the features. We have the specs. Yes, we do have the specs here. Okay, so we are going to learn more about the design of this wearable, as well as the specifications, and of course its UI, basic UI. We are going to dive into the details of the smartwatch. So if you are planning to purchase the Colmi P78 smartwatch and you are still undecided, watch this video first so you will learn more about this wearable. And of course, you can check whether this wearable, this smartwatch, is for you or not. And again, before we proceed to the unboxing, please like and share our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Colmi P78 smartwatch. Let's have the unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI. Okay, so let's remove the plastic. Okay, so this is the latest wearable from the company Colmi. Okay, let me get some scissors. So we received this several days ago. So let's remove the plastic. We will compare this wearable also with other Colmi smartwatches. But right now, let's focus first on its design, specs, and UI. So let's remove the contents. So what are the contents of this wearable? I don't know if this is wireless charging or not. So we have the user manual of the Colmi P78. So what is the support app for this wearable? QR code. So we have here the QR code, but we don't have the name of the app. Okay, anyways, we are going to scan this and check. So we have the QR code. We have here the smartwatch. Okay, plastic body frame. Seems like it is plastic body frame. We have the strap, the same color with the smartwatch. And we have, okay, so it is a pogo pin, USB type A, magnetic charging cable. And we have here the smartwatch. So we have, what's this, a button? Oh no, it's a flashlight, a built-in flashlight, I think. Okay, and we have a rotary crown button, new beginning, Colmi. Okay, let's weigh in the smartwatch. Let's check without the strap attached. So what is the weight of the wearable? It is around just 24 grams. Very lightweight with its PC material for the body frame. For the total weight with the strap, it is around 39 grams. Okay, very light, still very light compared to other wearable. This is expected as the wearable will have a plastic body frame. Sporty looking. I thought at first with its promotional images that this is a side button. It's not. Instead, it is a somewhat like built-in flashlight. We are going to check this. Okay, I'm interested to see. So let's attach the strap with a quick release pin. Hopefully we'll have a successful attachment of the strap. Is it easy to attach? Yes. Snap on. The other one. Okay, so that's it. Let's remove the cover here. 2.5D glass protection here, and with a slim black border. So medium size for the smartwatch. Lightweight, simple design. Again, we do have the crown button here. A flashlight, I'm assuming it's a flashlight. And that's it. So only single crown button. For the specs, let's check. 1.95 AMOLED screen display. Very good screen resolution here, as you can see. 410 410 by 502 pixels. IP67. It has support for iOS 9.0 and above, and Android 5.0 and above. P78. For the features, we have call function, calorie counter, heart rate, sleep monitoring, sports mode, weather, notifications, and yes, it is an LED flashlight. So again, this is the rotary. I expect this is a rotary crown button, and we do have the LED flashlight. So let's check it out. Let's check out the UI of the Colmi P78. Let's turn this on. Okay, we have here Colmi. Okay, so the same watch face here. Home button. Is it rotary? Yes, it is rotary. As you can see here, very slim black border left and right. A bit wide on the bottom part. Just okay on the top part. Again, this is the specs of the Colmi P78. 1.95 AMOLED screen. 410 by 502 pixels. It has multiple sports mode, IP67 waterproof body, 9.0 for iOS for compatibility, and Android 5.0. Pogo pin for the charging cable. Okay, so this is your P78. So for the UI, okay, so this is for the settings. On the bottom part, we have notifications. So far, very smooth, as you can see here. Very easy to access. And the animation here and transition is fast. The left side, we have the dashboard here. I guess this is the main menu. So this one, it's the module or cards. Okay, pressing this one, let's see. Can we access the main menu with this one? No. The only way to access the main menu is swipe here from left to right, then this one, I think. Okay. For the flashlight, let me show it to you. Okay, so we have this one, these three options. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so this is for someone like calling the attention of someone, I think. Well, this one, steady. Okay, so this is much brighter. How about this one? Yes, it is an SOS signal. Wow, very good. Okay, very useful feature for our flashlight here. We are going to check on this later on the next video of the unboxing of the P78. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the Colmi P78. Unboxing review of its design, the specs, and the UI. If you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Like, share, and subscribe.